In this video, we are going to learn on how we can do market research on the product that we want to sell online. And as I told you earlier, we are not going to sell goods because we are avoiding a situation where we start a business and then it takes a lot of our time. This product is going to be a service. We want to invest once in this business and then we can earn the income for the rest of our lives. That is how we are going to structure the business we are coming up with. This is Google advertising. If you want to search for Google advertising, they call themselves AdWords. So if you search for AdWords, you're going to get this first result, and if you click on it, it's going to come to this page. Then you can either start or you can sign in. If you already have a Google AdWords account, you can sign in, or you can create a new account. All you need is your Gmail account and you'll be able to sign in. Let's sign in to one of my existing accounts and see how we can leverage on this to make some good research. These are some advertising that I've done. Like now you can see here I'm advertising a course. I just put this, so I've only had 45 impressions and no clicks. These we're going to do it towards the end of this course. I'm going to show you how you can set up advertising for your business using Google AdWords. That is not what we are interested in today. We are interested in this tool that is called Keyword Planner. Tools Keyword Planner. We are going to do our research on the products that can sell online without us doing a lot of effort. This is not something that is going to be automatic. This is something that we are going to build on. So if you want to discover keywords, you type the kind of keyword that you want to search, or you can put for your website. For this case, we are going to discover how easy it is to rank. Let's say, let me open Google. We are going to try and find how easy it is to rank on the first page of Google when the volume of search of a certain keyword is high. Assume you want to teach people about cooking. People are going to search for cooking courses, all basically online cooking courses. By clicking here, I can filter by the volumes. The highest number is 40. This is in my country, so 40 searches per month. In my country, this is not a popular topic, but globally, if you click on where you have your country here, if I click on this and remove this so that I can find around the world, cooking online classes will give you an average of 22,000 searches on Google. And there are various other keywords that people search when they are looking for this kind of courses. And you can see there is this best online cooking class, there's cooking lesson online. If you want to rank high on Google, look for these that start from between 500 and 1000. For instance, there's this one, online beginner cooking class. If I copy this and put it on Google, I'm going to find out the competition. I have gotten 14.3 million results. It's very difficult to be on first page if these are kind of results that we are getting. So that is not an option. We need to look for a keyword that is going to give us less than 1 million. And when you go to videos, we want to look for something that is going to give us less than 20,000 if it's possible. If it's less than 1,000, that could be better. Let's look for another one. There's this one, free online cooking course with certificate. Enter. This is even worse. This is even worse. It has 41 million videos and there is 1 billion search results. As you can see, this is a very competitive field, so you might want to think on whether you need to stick to this, but because this probably is your area of specialization, you may need to look for the next approach, or you can continue searching to see whether you can get a topic that is not as competitive as the one that we have looked at. I hope this video was informative to you. Let us catch up in the next one.